Hello my dears, welcome to the channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and share the video, like the video, because you pretty help me um, a lot. So guys, today we have this problem here, and let's solve this problem, and we are going to solve this problem to find the value of x, right? um, so how are we gonna do this? You see that we have x squared plus 2x here, and we have the same thing here, um, and then we have the same thing over here and here. So what we're gonna do, actually, I'm gonna make a substitution. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm just erasing these two here. So I'm gonna say x squared plus 2x, let's say this is equal y. Okay, let me write this y. Okay, so then we have this is equal to y. So we can now rewrite our equation. So we would get y plus 1 over y plus 2 plus y plus 2 over y plus 3, and then this is equal 7 over 6. So let's find the common denominator here. So we're gonna have then this one times this one. We're gonna have y plus 1, which multiplies y plus 3, plus y plus 2, which multiplies y plus 2, right, which is y plus 2 square. And then I'm gonna erase this one here and just write y plus 2 square, and all divided by y plus 2, which multiplies y plus 3, and then equal to 7 over 6. And then the multiplication of this, we're gonna have y squared plus 3y plus y, we're gonna have 4y, and then plus 3, and then plus here we're gonna have y square plus 4y, and then plus 4, all divided by y plus 2, which multiplies y plus 3, and then this is equal to 7 divided by 6. So guys, now we have, let's simplify this. We're gonna have then 2y square here, this one goes with this, 4 plus 4, we're gonna have plus 8y here. Sorry, let me write this correctly. 8y here, and then plus this one plus this one, we're gonna have plus 7, and this divided by y plus 2, right, which multiplies y plus 3, and then let's say minus times divided by 6, and then this is equals 0, right? So cool. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the common denominator again, right? So this time we're just gonna find 6 times this one and 7 times the product of these two. So we're gonna have then 6, which multiplies 2y squared plus 8y plus 7, and then okay, that's it actually, and then minus 7, which multiply the product of these two, which is y squared plus 5y, and then plus 6, right, and then all divided by 6, which multiplies y plus 2, right, which multiplies y plus 3, and then this is equal 0. So from here then we're gonna have, guys, the product of these two terms here, we're gonna have 6, we're gonna have 12y squared plus plus 48 y, and then plus 42, right, and then minus, we're gonna have 7y squared, right, minus 35y, and then minus 42, right? So this all, I mean, we don't have to rewrite this. So this one here, we will multiply 0 here, so we have to say that y plus 2 has to be different from 0, and y plus 3 has to be different from, sorry, made a mistake here, plus 3 has to be different from 0, which implies that y has to be different from negative 2, and y has to be different from negative 3. So from here now we can say that this one here is equal 0. So now 12 minus 7, we're gonna have 5y squared, right? And then 48 minus 35, we're gonna have plus 13y, and then this is equal 0. So from here, guys, we can say that y will multiply 5y and then plus 13, and then this is 0. So from here we have y equals 0 and 5y plus 13, this is equal 0. So this is kind of way too much close to each other. 5y, oh my god, this is not what I'm trying to do. So this is 5y plus 13 equals to 0. So from y equals to 0, remember that in the beginning here we said that x squared here plus 2x plus x squared plus 2x is equal to y. So y is equal to 0. Now let's replace this value here. So we're gonna have x squared plus 2x. This is gonna be equal to 0. So from here we're gonna have x, which multiply x plus 2 and then equals 0. So we're gonna have then x1 equals 0, and then we're gonna have, which is x2 plus 2 equals 0. Let me just write this way. So we're gonna have x2 equals negative 2. Okay, guys, so this is, why am I writing with this much confusion, as if we didn't have enough space, bro. So we're gonna have x, which multiply x plus 2 equals 0, and then we have x equals 0, right, and x plus 2 equals 0. So then we're gonna have x1 here equals 0, which is one of our solutions, right? And then we're gonna have here x equals negative 2, which is our second solution. Okay, so we can write this, and then if we get back to this one here, we're gonna have y plus 13, 5y plus 13 equals 0. So y is equal to minus 13 divided by 5. If we replace this value in our equation, right, we're gonna have actually, let me see if we have some space here. Okay, from here we're gonna have I don't know if this color is actually cool, so let me change to white. Okay, so we're gonna have then x squared plus, let me put yellow to follow the same standard, right? So we have then x squared plus 2x equals to negative 13 over 5. So we're gonna have then 5x squared plus 10x plus 13, which is equal to 0. And from here, guys, we're gonna have that our discriminant, or our delta, finding our delta here, which is b squared minus 4ac. So we're gonna say that this is, b is 10, so we're gonna have 100 minus 4 times 5 times 13, right? So our delta is gonna be 100 minus, we're gonna have 20 times 13, right? 20 times 13, 250, and then we're gonna have our delta equals to negative 160, right? So our delta is less than 0. It means that we have imaginary solutions here, so we wanted to solve for the real solutions only. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching the video. So our solutions are actually these ones here. So our x is equal to 0, or our x is equal to negative 2. Okay, guys, please help me, guys, subscribe to the channel and help me reach 1000 subscribers. I have lots of problems going on in my life, so if you really help me, because this is the only thing that I can do right now, so please forgive me for being saying this, but I need to say this. If you watch my previous video, you're gonna notice that I never talk about this kind of stuff here. But if you really want to support me, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and try to watch or just increase the pace of the video. But please watch my videos, like, comment, and share with your friends. And thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.